No time to build? Look no further. Escape to this 5-bedroom Ensuite retreat pool home, which makes for the perfect getaway when you have your next reunion or celebration. This Alexander Palm floor plan is immaculately clean and a rare gem which will not last. This home offers a double master, each room has its own private bath, and a private pool and jacuzzi will perfectly complete your park hopping days. The retreat community is located within the gated community of Champions Gate, a 933-acre golfing community which offers a 16,000 square foot resort style amenities clubhouse, the Oasis. This home is within 2 blocks of the Oasis, where you will find a lazy river pool, quiet pool, water slide, volleyball courts, spa, splash pad, an arcade, a tiki bar, theater room, restaurant and bar, concierge service and so much more. This home features a designer furniture package of $45,000.